Welcome to MVP Auto Zone. Today we are diving into something so extraordinary that it redefines the meaning of luxury on wheels. This is the all-new 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome, the ultimate blend of German engineering, Maybach prestige, and the limitless freedom of a motorhome lifestyle. If you've ever imagined traveling the open road without giving up the elegance of a five-star palace, then buckle up, because this Maybach Motorhome is going to change the way you see luxury RVs forever. The very first thing that catches your eye is the sheer presence of this masterpiece. It's not just an RV, it's a rolling statement of power and refinement. The 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome comes with a bold new front fascia, chrome-lined grille, signature Maybach badging, and LED matrix headlights that give it a commanding presence whether parked at a luxury resort or cruising down the highway. Its massive yet streamlined body is designed not only for beauty but also aerodynamics, ensuring smooth efficiency despite its size. Step inside, and you are transported into a sanctuary that feels more like a luxury penthouse than a motorhome. Maybach has fitted the cabin with handcrafted leather seating, real wood veneers, crystal clear ambient lighting, and advanced smart glass panoramic windows that can switch from clear to tinted at the touch of a button. Every detail screams perfection, from the diamond-stitched upholstery to the customizable climate zones that make sure every passenger enjoys unmatched comfort. This motorhome isn't just about luxury, though, it's also about intelligent technology. The 2026 model is fully equipped with Mercedes' next-gen MBUX Hyperscreen system, stretching across the dashboard to deliver navigation, entertainment, and AI-powered personalization. There are multiple large displays for passengers in the rear lounge and even voice-activated controls throughout the living space. Whether you're working, relaxing, or entertaining, the Maybach Motorhome transforms into a smart home on wheels. When it comes to performance, this luxury beast doesn't hold back. Powered by a hybrid V8 engine paired with Mercedes' advanced EQ boost technology, it delivers seamless acceleration and remarkable efficiency. Adaptive air suspension guarantees a smooth, cloud-like ride, while intelligent driver assist systems make maneuvering this luxury giant easier than ever. Safety, comfort, and performance come together in a way only Maybach can deliver. Now let's talk about the living amenities, because this is where the Maybach Motorhome truly blows your mind. Inside, you'll find a master bedroom with a king-size bed, a spa-inspired bathroom with rainfall shower, a gourmet kitchen fitted with premium appliances, and a lounge area that doubles as a private cinema with a 70-inch retractable OLED screen. There's even an outdoor lounge setup with extendable awnings, built-in speakers, and a luxury dining area to make your travels unforgettable. The 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome is not just transportation, it's a lifestyle, a statement of success, and a symbol of freedom without compromise. It brings together the legendary craftsmanship of Maybach and the adventurous spirit of the open road, creating something truly unmatched in the world of luxury vehicles. This is not just where luxury meets mobility, this is the future of travel. So, what do you think of the new 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MVP Auto Zone for more deep dives into the most elite machines redefining the auto world.